Suppressing yawns. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's a natural reflex that helps relieve eye tension. When we yawn, our facial muscles, including those around the eyes, relax. This can momentarily enhance our vision, so let those yawns out and help your eyes relax in the process. Just look at something and yawn. Vision instantly get clearer for a moment. 6. Cultural neglect of eye health. Unlike physical fitness, which is widely promoted, there is a noticeable lack of emphasis on visual health and preventive measures to protect eyesight. This cultural oversight means many of us grow up without the knowledge or habits necessary to support our eye health and vision.